I was right, it does taste a little bit artificially. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I have hubby on the channel for the first time. Say hi to the people.
Hello.
So today we're gonna do a taste test of non-dairy ice cream, and some of these are actually vegan as well. A few months ago, I decided to go dairy-free, and in fact, for the most part, we've transitioned our whole household to dairy-free. But the one missing piece for me has been ice cream. So today we're gonna start testing out a few of the most popular brands on the market right now, and you're gonna get our honest, real-time opinion about how these taste. This isn't sponsored, so let's just take a look at how it goes. Okay, so first up, we're gonna go with Ben & Jerry's. Let me grab that. Here's your spoon. Oops, here you go.
Thank you.
Here's my spoon. So this is Ben & Jerry's 7-layer bar non-dairy frozen dessert. Let's take a look, because he's a stickler for ingredients. So let's take a look at the ingredients just to make sure what's it telling us here.
Almond milk, liquid sugar, interesting, whatever that means. Coconut oil, sugar, corn syrup, not great. Walnuts, corn syrup solids, not great. Dried cane syrup. The list goes on, you know. But I mean, yeah.
And I don't know that this is going to be good for our household, because we are predominantly tree nut free, and in case one of my daughters gets a hold of this, I don't want there to be an issue.
Was there nuts in this?
Because it said almond.
Yeah,
almonds, almond water, and walnuts.
Yeah, so this would not necessarily work well
for our household, but doesn't mean we can't try it out right now. Do the honors.
All right.
Okay. Let me get a piece of. This is really good. It has coconut with fudge chunks, walnuts, and swirls of graham cracker and caramel. This is really good.
It's really sweet though.
I mean, it's ice cream. It's not.
It's really sweet.
I'm going in just a second.
Maybe you can put this down. You don't have to keep holding it.
Okay. That was good. That was really good. Number 2.
It is all right.
Okay, so if you would rank it on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rank the last one?
It's the first one that we
Well,
had.
the last one that we just had.
I don't know yet. I don't have anything to compare it to.
Okay,
So
let's
let's hold out on that.
Very scientific of you. This one, ooh, I like the swirl in here. So this is Archer Farm, so Target's brand, made with almond milk. I wasn't paying attention when I picked this out, but it's vanilla cake batter flavored frozen dessert. Now when you say flavored, I'm afraid it's gonna taste artificially. But almond milk is the very first ingredient, which is good because it typically means that's the ingredient with the most percentage in here. Oh, but we have all kinds of things like pectin, organic annatto, I don't know what that is. Locust bean gum. What are you thinking?
There's a lot of things in here. Yeah, you know. Let's see.
A lot. The list goes on. Okay.
I think the swirl in here is just decorative, or is it?
Does it go all the way through? I was right. It does taste a little bit artificially.
Maybe a little bit artificial.
Artificial. Okay.
Interesting.
It's good.
It's good. It's not bad.
I wonder if we need palate cleansers between ice creams, but it's not bad.
Well, you didn't talk about the amount of calories in each.
Oh, that's true. So this one has 270 calories per serving, and you know they do this new thing where they have to put how many calories are in the entire thing, not just a serving. So if you were to eat one container, it would be 800 calories in this one versus the Ben & Jerry's, wow, 1,290 if you ate the whole thing. One serving for this is 2/3 of a cup, but who has just 2/3 of a cup? Certainly not me, but okay. So that's the second one. This one is Oatly. It's their chocolate chip, 100% vegan. The thing about Oatly is we actually do use their oat milk in our house. So let's see, this one is oat base is the very first ingredient.
Yeah, I mean, the first thing
Chocolate chip.
you notice is that there's not a ton of ingredients in here.
Yeah, not as many ingredients in here as the Archer Farm brand. And then 270 calories per serving. The serving size is 2/3 of a cup, and then 800 per container if you were to eat it all. So that happens sometimes, it does. Let me go ahead and open that. Oh, well that's cute. Hey vegan, pre-vegan, non-vegan, have no idea what vegan means, ice cream lover. I don't know if you can see that, but that's cute. They tend to have little cute sayings on all of their packaging. Go ahead.
It's different.
It's different. Very heavy on the oat taste.
It does feel more creamy though.
You think it's the creamiest we've had so far?
Yes. There's less stuff going on in this, but not as sweet.
Not as sweet. I mean, if you want to compare sugars now.
I think if you go back, like how much fat is in here?
11 grams. Total 16 grams of fat, 11 saturated fats, and then 0 grams trans fat.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah. So they just get interesting.
Yeah.
By the way, we haven't been ranking. Maybe we rank at the end.
Yeah.
Okay. Talenti. Oh, this is probably one of the brands I miss the most since going dairy-free because I love the caramel swirl Talenti. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but I love it. Okay.
What is this made out of?
So this one is cold brew. So this one, I had you in mind when I got this one. So it's dairy-free sorbetto and it's cold brew coffee. Now, 280 calories per serving. And, well, they don't do the whole how many servings and everything, but they're 3 servings. So 280 times 3. What else? Fair trade Brazilian and Colombian cold brewed coffee blended with a refreshing non-dairy sorbetto. Okay, but the other thing about this is it has 31 grams of sugar, so definitely more sugar. Go ahead. Let's see.
That's good. That's
That
really
is
good.
very good.
Yeah, coffee comes through.
A very good non-dairy alternative.
Almond. It's made with almonds though, so that's the other thing.
Where is the almond? Oh, why do these all have almonds in them? So next time I'm gonna have to be more mindful because if the kids ask to have some, they can't. Okay, so winner.
Asking me?
Talenti.
Yeah, for sure.
Talenti comes out on top. Who would you say is next? If I had to say, I would go for the Ben & Jerry's.
I agree.
Yeah? Ben & Jerry's number 2.
Too sweet, but overall, yeah, number 2.
It's supposed to be a treat, so number 3.
What was the?
This one, the Archer Farm
Yeah,
one.
yeah,
Yeah. I don't know. These two for me are a tie. The last two.
yeah.
Oatly. They're tied for different reasons. Neither of them would be a pick for me, but the Oatly, I don't know what to say, but the oat taste came through kind of rubbery. I don't know if that's
It was different for sure. It felt different. It felt more creamy, but I wasn't a big fan of the
flavor, the taste.
The taste, yeah.
Yeah. And then the Archer Farms, I just felt like it was artificial, and I could tell from the ingredients when you start talking about flavored as opposed to it is the actual flavor that's been put in it. Then you figure it's going to be you're stepping out of frame of camera, sir.
Yeah, but I guess maybe you'd put Oatly one third just because they have less ingredients.
Yeah, I would go. So we'll switch around places. All right, so there you go. That is our lineup for who would win. So first Talenti, next would be Ben & Jerry's, then Oatly, then the Archer Farms brand. So yeah, there you have it. I figured we'd do something like this for those of you who are trying to go dairy-free. It's certainly a journey that we're on. In general, our household tends to be a little bit on the healthier side, but when it comes to sweet teeth or having a sweet tooth, I have one, certainly Briss has one as well. So we thought we'd test this out with you. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed and you enjoy the content we have on this channel, please do subscribe before you head out. Don't forget to share, like it, let the algorithm know that they should show this video to more people. And I will have everything in the description box as far as all the ice creams we tasted today. So let me know in the comments, have you tried any of these? And should we try something else? Would you like us to taste test any other ice cream that you've noticed out there? All right, thank you for watching today, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.